Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can make a vector art or vector graphic spin on your Wix website in 2026. So let us dive into this. Now for this method, guys, you will need to do two things. First, you will need to add the vector art to your page through the Add Elements button here on the given page and through the Decorative tab here, and select the vector art below from the Wix library. And the second thing you need to do, guys, is apply animation, but a specific animation for this method. To do that, click into your vector art, select Animate or Animations and Effects, and from that menu expand the loop animation, scroll down, and here you will find the spin animation. You will see the preview to the left, but you can also customize it by clicking to this button. You can select a motion style like moderate, gentle, intense. Here select the direction, clockwise or counterclockwise. So it depends pretty much on the given animation. You can watch the preview also here. Now, if you'd like to make it a loop or spin for longer, select the maximum duration, which is 50 seconds. Now, I tried to make it or customize the duration to endless, but there's no such option. So the maximum seconds or duration you can choose is 50 here, but you can also delay between loops if you like by using this slider here, and then you will see the preview here at the top. And that's how you can make your vector art spin or loop on your website on Wix in 2026. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.